model, 2021 Citroen Berlingo Partner 650 Enterprise Bhdi spares or repairs needs engine. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 138344. MOT, the 30th of January 2026. Engine, 1499 cc DV5 RERDE2. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: Enginge does not start and wont turnover. Engine has seized from block damage. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 1 former keeper, EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.